akan kekal menjadi sebuah negara demokrasi yang merdeka dan yang berdaulat serta berdasarkan kepada kebebasan dan keadilan dan mengekalkan keamanan di antara segala bangsa. Kuala Lumpur 31 hari bulan Ogos tahun 57. Merdeka! Merdeka! Merdeka!
Pertandingan ini sangat hebat. Dua-dua belah sekarang bermain betul-betul. Kali ini boleh jadi mereka menang. Mendes bermain dengan cermat. Dia tahu semua bergantung kepada dia. Dari awal hingga akhir bermain sungguh-sungguh. Ada harapan nampaknya. Dia ada banyak angin. Perasaan geram telah timbul. Dia tahu pasukannya berharap kepada dia dalam perlawanan ini. Dengan bersungguh-sungguh hati adalah yang tak boleh disangka-sangka. Ya, menang. Penonton-penonton sangat suka. Habis perkara. Satu kemenangan yang tinggi harganya. Tetapi perasaan salaturrahim di antara kawan-kawan dan semangat sokan yang bagus semasa diadakan peraduan ini akan tinggal dalam kenangan selama-lamanya.
Hi, we meet again at Penggeli Motocross Circuit in Johor. Today we will see the 5th round of SICAM Motocross Championship 2007, which is a tough race for all the riders. And what you can see behind me now are the motocross riders, and all of them are the favorite of the previous round in Sepang Motocross Circuit. And for this episode, we will see the highlights of today's Motocross Championship Round 5. Okay, let's go to the paddock to watch who are our riders.
Welcome to the SICAM Malaysian Motocross Championship for 2007, and this is round 5. It's being held at the Felda Penggeli Motocross track. It's going to be pretty exciting. You'll find a lot of the veterans and the other riders all being briefed. This is, as we always say, it's pretty dangerous to be involved in racing, motocrossing as well. So a lot of rules will have to be adhered to. They have to listen. And we've got youngsters, we've got the veterans, and all coming in not only for team competition, but also for fun in the mud, in the dirt. And we've got everybody from the villages, from the surrounding areas, all there looking for, anticipating a lot of lovely action. Even looking at the track, it's 1.966 kilometers here. It's really presenting a very challenging track. We've got uphill, you've got downhill, you've got the whoop-de-doop, you've got the flat top, you've got the double jumps, and it's going to be really fun and exciting there. And looking at the preparations, when you are preparing yourself for to do battle on the track, you really got to safeguard. Well, in case you get knocked, in case you get, you crash, you've got to have your proper gear.